Hey guys, how's it going? So yeah, my first unbox video of 2014, and I'm opening my new headphones. I got them addressed to me yesterday, and I didn't know who it was from because I wasn't expecting it, but from my friend Ryan. I have had to colour over the my address, so yeah, you could not see it at home. So yeah, I'm excited, but I'm going to unbox it. I shall look in. How to get in. Oh, this is awkward. Oh, there. Oh! Oh! That is nice. Okay. Yep, they fit my phone, so yeah. I'm done, guys. I am done. This is... Well, yeah, anyway, thanks, Ryan. Enjoyed this. I hope you like my present I sent you, and... Oh, usual. So... Okay, they're too big. But yeah, thanks. I really love these. That was good. Well, that was just a... Well, let me tell you a few things about them. These are the iTempo headphones. I think this is the headphone collector's edition, where the top is leather and so are these bits. Like all around it's silver. So yeah, they're cool. So yeah, that was just my first unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. All that's left to say is grenade. Oh, you're still there now, are you? You still looking at me? I can't hear you. Okay, anyway, so yeah, bye.